Let us start with the next topic, that is classification of curve. So we have learnt what is this curve about. Let us now come to the classification. So curves are subdivided into horizontal curve and vertical curves, whereon horizontal curve is moreover subdivided into 4 groups, that is simple curve, compound curve, reverse curve, followed by transition curve. Reverse curve, it is also known as S curve or serpentine curve. Before going to its sub-classification, let us understand what is this horizontal curve and vertical curve. Coming to the horizontal curve, the curve which are provided in the horizontal plane to have gradual change in direction is called horizontal curve. For example, let us consider the 2 pathway. So, if this vehicle want to move from this pathway to another pathway, this is where your hills, valleys or some obstruction that is present. Okay, so these are the hilly areas where this is a pathway and this is one more pathway where your vehicle should travel from this pathway to this pathway. So in order to maintain the smoother surface, or in order to maintain the smooth vehicle movement and proper vehicle speed, the curve has been created in between these 2 pathways. So that curve, it is nothing but known as horizontal curve. If this is a pathway, if you see from the top, that is, if you consider this as a top view, you can easily know that this is an curve created in a horizontal pathway in order to connect these 2 pathways. That is what they have told in the definition. Curves which are provided in a horizontal plane to have gradual change in direction. That is, if you want to change your vehicle direction from one pathway to another pathway, there they have created some curve kind of a road. That is nothing but your horizontal curve. Coming to next one, that is vertical curve. Curves which changes the slope or gradient of a road, allowing vehicles to negotiate the elevation rate, which is known as vertical curve. For example, this is one pathway and this is one more pathway, which means this is a horizontal curve which you can see from the top view. But for the vertical curve, you can identify that vertical curve only from the side view. For example, this is a higher pathway and this is a pathway which exists at the lowest elevation. These are the pathway that exist at either 2 different elevation or 2 different level. So these 2 pathway, it is connected by a kind of a curve which is known as vertical curve. So that is what they have mentioned, curves which changes the slope or gradient of a road, allowing vehicles to negotiate the elevation rate, that is nothing but known as vertical curve. So after completion of your horizontal and the vertical curve, let us go to first the classification of the horizontal curve, then we go to some diagrams of the vertical curve.